Student, please refer the textbook. Next topic is networking technology. Networking technology, it is the logical arrangement of a computer connecting device from connecting devices from one place to another, and this is called as the networking topology. Topology defines the arrangement of nodes, cables, and connecting devices that make up the network. There are two categories of networking topologies. First one is the physical topology, second one is the logical topology. Physical topology describe actual layout of the network transmission media. It defines the way the network looks. It is the physical layout of the network transmission media. It means the cables, wires are also included. Logical topology describes the logical pathway a signal follows as it passes among the network nodes. It means it does not require any cables or wires. It defines the data passes among the nodes. Physical and logical topologies can take several forms. The most common are bus topology, ring topology, star topology, and mesh topology, which comes under the network topology. The first one is the bus topology. Bus topology. In a bus topology, all devices are connected to a common shared cable. This shared cable is called as backbone of network. A bus physical topology is shown in figure 9.18. So this is the figure 9.18, shows the networking topology, bus topology. It is used the common shared cable, which with the help of common shared cable, all devices which is connected through this cable. It consists of the number of nodes of computer, printer, server. These are the connected to a common shared cable. This is the physical topology, and this shared cable, common shared cable, also known as the backbone of network. If the backbone of network are collapse, the whole network will be also collapse. The bus topology is suited for network that use the contention based access method. Most bus network broadcast signal in both direction on the backbones of cable. This enables all devices to receive signal directly. Some buses are unidirectional, means only one direction are as follows. Some buses are unidirectional and signal travels only in one direction and reach only downstream devices. A terminator is placed at end to prevent a signal from reflecting back. So this is the bus topology. The detailed notes of bus topology, please refer the above link. Please refer this link, that is the computer hoop link. It includes the bus topology. Bus topology, alternatively referred to as client topology. Bus topology is a network setup where each computer and network devices is connected to a single cable or backbone, depending on the types of computer network card or coaxial cable or an RJ45 network cable is used to connect them together. It means it uses the coaxial cables and inserting the network card for connecting the two more computers in a single backbone cable. An RJ45 connector is also used for connecting the cables. There are the advantages of the bus topology. In examination, please the question will be asked, write down the bus topology, write a short notes on bus topology, or explain the bus topology with advantages or disadvantages. So please note down the advantages of bus topology. First one, it works well when you have a small networks, means if you have it is set up building it is set up on building. The area is very limited. It is set up on one building in LAN connection. It's the easiest network topology for connecting computers or peripherals in a linear fashion. Means if the for example in a office, you have to set up the network. The bus topology is very helpful, because because it sharing the your peripheral, just like printer, scanner, mic, computer nodes, which is linearly sharing the networks and connecting the common shared backbone of cable. It requires less cable length than a star topology. It does not require the much more cables for the, just like a star topology. Disadvantages of bus topology: it can be difficult to identify the problem if the whole network goes down. It means your backbone of cable, it goes down, the whole network will to be collapse. It does not identify what computer it should be get damaged or not. It can be hard to troubleshoot individuals device issue. Means individual computer does not be recover or troubleshoot. We cannot identify the particular individual devices issue. Bus topology is not great for a large network. It does not refer for the large building of network from one city to another city, or the large area network. Terminators are required for both ends of the main cable. Terminators are required for the main cables of network. Additional devices slow the network down. It means in a single cable you have to insert it in, you have to connect it the number of devices, so the network should be goes slow down. If a main cable is damaged, the network fails or split into the two. Means your backbone of cable is damaged, the whole network should be damaged. These are the advantages and disadvantages. Please write down and maintain your copy.